Hi, my name is Norma and thanks for checking out my video on free online watercolor classes. Learning to paint can be a lonely venture. Even with a great instructor, it seems like what they demonstrate looks so easy, and then you go to try it and feel completely lost. You're not alone. Does it help to know that every artist has felt this way? If you are looking for free online watercolor classes, I suggest you to check out Online Art Lessons by Nolan Clark. You can find their website by clicking the link in the description box below this video. I've been following Nolan Clark for a while now, and have been a participant in his forum. He has expanded that forum into a wonderful new members-only website that is full of free tutorials and teaching aids. On the site you will find hundreds of free online art classes. That's right, free online art classes. There are classes in oil painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting, pencil drawing, pastel drawing as well as pen and ink drawing. There are even classes in lesser-known art forms like scratchboard drawing. Most lessons have a text tutorial and a narrated time-lapse video for you to follow. They also add new free tutorials every week. By clicking the link below, you will find over 100 free online watercolor classes which you can follow. If you join their mailing list, they can also send you the occasional round-up email of new tutorials added to the site. It doesn't matter if you are brand new to art or have been an artist for years already, online art lessons have classes to suit your current ability. If you prefer to paint or draw along, then you can become a patron member which will give you access to hundreds of paint along and draw along art classes and courses. As a member you can watch each class as often as you want. You have 24/7 access to your classes so you can take a few hours or a few weeks to complete each artwork. You can rewind and rewatch as much as needed to ensure you are 100% sure what to do, every step of the way. You can also connect and chat with fellow students, post your artworks for feedback from the group and get answers to your questions. This is your place to chat with and meet fellow artists from all around the world. If you wish to join the patron class, I've also included a special link in the description box below this video where you can become a patron member for as low as $5. For as long as you remain a member, your membership will always cost you the same. No price increases or surprises later on down the line. There are over 250 amazing art projects waiting for you inside, totaling over 500 hours worth of HD quality video. They usually sell these classes individually for $9 each, which means this offer is incredible value for money. I can attest to the remarkable progress I have made in my art skills since joining Online Art Lessons. I started out with free online watercolor classes and I can say that I have learned a lot. It is one of the greatest investments I have made in enhancing my art skills. Now I feel more confident painting because I can shape things freehand. If you wish to learn more, visit the official website by clicking the link in the description box below this video.